Hello everyone, my name is Nana, and today I'm gonna show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So today is part 6. Why am I keep memorizing part 4? Okay, yeah, part 6 of last episode for oral. So these are the last 21 cases. Yeah, last 21 cases. So these are my algorithm sheet. So I kind of read algorithms. So let's get started by the first OLL. Yeah. Wait. It's this. Yeah, it's this one where you have the Z but with a tail. And you have the 2x1 bar on the left pointing the back, and you do this. Next case, it's this one. It's the mirror of that case where you have the Z with the tail and a 2x1 bar on the right pointing the back, and you do this. And next case is this one where you have the P at the back, kind of P shape, and the 2x1 bar on the right pointing this way, and you do this. Next one, you do this. It goes like this, where you have the P right here, but with the 2x1 bar on the back pointing this way, and you do this algorithm. And all solved. Next case is a bit easier. No, not like that, but this, where you have the P like this, but with the 1x3 bar at the right, and you do this. Next case, it is the mirror of that case, which you have the P and the 1x3 bar on the left, and you do this. Next case is like this, where you have the fish kind of shape but no 1x2 bars. As you see, no 1x2 bars, and you do this. And next case, you can do two algorithms, which is this one, or even which one? This one, where you do this. So you have two algorithms. Next one is this, where you have the W shape with the 1x2 bar on the right pointing back, and you do this. Next case is like this, where you have the W again, but with 1x2 bar at the right pointing this way, and you do this. Next case is where you have the Z with the tail again, but as you see, there are no 1x2 bars like this, but with headlights instead on the back, and you do this. And next case is a bit easier. It's this one, where you have the Z with the tail again, but with headlights on the left instead, and you do this. Next case is like this, where you have to flip these two pieces, and you do like this. Wait, really, not this one. Let me solve it. So or you can do like this. Okay, so if you want to flip these two individually, not individually, but just only flip these two, you can do this. Like that. Next case is like this, where you have this dot in the middle and 1x3 bars at the left and right, and you do this. Next one is kinda you know, it's similar to that one. So you have the dot again, but with 1x3 bars at the right and 1x2 bars at the front and back, both pointing left, and you do this out. There you go. Last six cases. Okay, this one is where you have this kind of fish, but with 1x2 bar pointing on the right pointing you, on the front pointing left, and on the left pointing back. So it's pointing clockwise like that. And you do this, and all solved. Next case is kind of similar to that case, but yeah, is where you have the fish again, but with the bars pointing counterclockwise like this, and you do this, Next case is where you have this kind of slash thing. So you hold the 1x2 bar facing you on the left and 1x2 bar on the back pointing right, and you do this and all solved. Last 3 cases. Next is this one. So you have the V shape on the back and the 1x3 bar at the front, and you do this. A bit of fail, but fail. I kinda used to look for the most part, so let me solve it real quick. So that case, get back to this case. So you do this. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, next one is so it uses M moves, but you're gonna have to like get used to it. M moves. So I've never seen E moves before in CFOP, so yeah. So this one goes like this, and the last one is where the 4 edges are flipped, and you do this. Okay, now there are many OLL cases that you should know. So if you want to learn all, just learn some for one day, like 3 or 4 cases a day. But don't remember full OLL in one day, because it'll take you like forever to memorize. But try if you want to be a good speed cuber, learn some, not all, because it'll spoil you. Like just like I told you that don't learn full OLL in one day. Learn some, and yeah, that's all I want to say about OLLs. So if you want to memorize cases and algorithms, just remember like 1 or 2 or 3 cases a day, like OLL, PLL, square one, last layer, no, square one, edge orientations, and all that stuffs. Don't learn it in one day, because it'll spoil you. Get it? Okay, outro time. So if you wanna keep up with my new videos, just subscribe. If you want people to solve the Rubik's Cube too, just share this video. And if you wanna like the video, go ahead. And good luck everybody. See you in the next video. Bye.